In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send audio messages in Slack. First, open Slack and head to the workspace and channel where you want to communicate. I'll use a test channel so we can safely practice without notifying anyone important. Once you're in the channel, it can be helpful to see who's there. Open the channel details and view all members so you know your audience. When you're done, close that panel to get back to the conversation. Click anywhere in the main message area to refocus on the composer at the bottom. To record an audio message, look for the microphone option labeled Record Audio Clip. Click it to start recording. If this is your first time, Slack may ask for permission to use your microphone. Go ahead and allow it so your voice can be captured. While recording, speak clearly, keep the mic a few inches from your mouth, and minimize background noise. Short, focused clips often work best in busy channels. When you're finished, click Stop Recording. You'll see your audio clip appear in the composer, ready to send, along with controls to play it back if you'd like to double check. If you want to add context or a short caption, click into the message box and type a brief note. For example, something like test, or a sentence that summarizes the clip. Click on the text you type to place your cursor exactly where you want it, or to quickly make an edit before sending. If you change your mind about including the audio, you can remove the clip before it's posted. Click Remove Audio Clip. This detaches the recording from your draft but leaves any typed text in place, so you can still send that on its own or start a fresh recording. Now, if timing is important, you don't have to send immediately. Click Schedule for later to cue the message to post at a better time. Choose an option like tomorrow at 9 o'clock a.m. to make sure your teammates see it when they're online. For this demo, after previewing the scheduling options, I'll go ahead and send it right away by clicking Send Now. That posts the message to the channel. Once your audio clip is posted, you have a few helpful options to manage it. Open the More Actions menu, the three dots on the message. From here, you can download the clip to your computer for safekeeping or for sharing outside Slack. Select Download, and the file will save to your default downloads location. You can also share the clip directly within Slack. Choose Share Clip to send it to another channel or a direct message without re-uploading the audio. If you need to reference the clip elsewhere, select Copy Link to Audio Clip. That puts a direct link on your clipboard so you can paste it into a document, an email, or another thread. For more information about the clip, choose View Details. This opens a sidebar with context like where and when it was posted. It's a convenient place to confirm you selected the right message and to see any related activity. If you need to remove the audio from the channel, select Delete Clip. Slack will show a confirmation so you don't delete something by accident. If you decide to keep it, click Cancel, and the clip will remain in the conversation. If you're sure you want it gone, confirm by selecting Yes, delete this clip. The audio will be removed from the thread. That's the full flow. Open your channel, record an audio message, optionally add a caption, choose whether to schedule or send now, and then use the message menu to download, share, copy a link, view details, or delete the clip if needed. With these steps, you can communicate quickly, add tone and nuance to your updates, and manage your clips confidently right inside Slack.